It is all fun and games to learn about new motorcycles, regardless of their class and engine size. But in reality, practicality of such info is quite low. After all, what is the purpose of learning about 10 new superbikes if your own license or skill level restrict you to smaller displacements? That is why today we are starting a series about new motorbikes within a certain displacement range, and will feature those models of 2020 that fall below 500cc. These machines are ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike across multiple tasks. So stay tuned to automotive territory by subscribing to the channel. Leave a like before we kick off and enjoy the ride. Yamaha MT125. With the updated MT125, Yamaha strives to bring more thrilling performance and adrenaline to the 125cc class. Entering its second generation, the brand's entry-level Naked gets a new look, updated features, and a Euro 5 compliant engine. With variable valve actuation design and optimized gearing, the 125cc single-cylinder 4-stroke delivers exceptional low-end torque. The 2020 models also arrives with a new Delta box frame and aluminum swing arm, which are suspended by beefier 41mm upside-down front forks and KYB monoshock at the rear. Sourcing the styling cues from its bigger siblings in the MT line, the 125 boasts more aggressive and angular bodywork, where the key selling point is a mean face-like front with an LED headlamp and dual slant high position lights. To raise the bar in the tech department, Yamaha gave the MT125 a new LCD instrument panel that displays all the needed info. KTM 390 Adventure. Capitalizing on the success of the larger displacement 7090 Adventure, KTM decided to expand the 390 range to this segment as well. The bike is advertised as a road-focused, travel-capable model with solid dirt and off-road potential. It is built on the same steel trellis frame as the 390 Duke, but it is distinguished by a new die-cast open lattice swing arm and an Enduro-derived WP Apex suspension. The 373 single-cylinder engine is lifted unchanged from the Duke, making 44 horses and 27 pound-feet of torque. The wheels measure 19 inches up front and 17 in the rear, are wrapped in off-road friendly Continental tires, and fitted with Vibra disc brakes. Other standard equipment includes all-around LED lighting, adjustable windshield, 5-inch TFT display, and a sophisticated ABS with cornering and off-road modes. BENELLI 302R. Despite being entirely designed and manufactured in China, BENELLI is not ready to give up its ties with the European market, and exclusively manufactures EU A1 and A2 license-compliant bikes. The 302R is a fully faired sports bike that expands the 300cc line and brings to the table retro paint job schemes and styling reminiscent of the big-bore BENELLI motorcycles from 1990s and 2000s. It rides on a trademark trestle frame and features a brake system with 2 floating discs on the front wheel and a single piston caliper brake on the rear, which provide high stability and endurance on the road. It is powered by a 300cc liquid-cooled twin mated to a 6-speed transmission. Electronic fuel injection provides clear and efficient operation in all modes, while the exhaust system is equipped with a catalytic converter and oxygen sensors. Honda Rebel. Adhering to its name, the Rebel is a unique bike cut out for the riders who have always dreamt of owning a cruiser but are not willing to handle bulky and pricey machines from Harley or Indian. The bike went on sale as a 2017 model, and this year it enjoys a few cosmetic upgrades that bring it one step closer to perfection. The suspension internals were revised to be more engaged into action. Full LED lighting was integrated, plus the motorcycle received a new gear position indicator, slipper clutch, and a new plush seat. As before, the Honda is offered in 2 modifications: the 286cc single-cylinder and the 471cc twin, rated at 30 and 46 horsepower respectively. The bike's seat height stands at 27.2 inches, making it perfect for shorter riders. The brakes offer adequate stopping power in both standard and ABS configurations, and the 41mm fork with 4.8 inches of travel ensures smooth cruising. Do not think twice about smashing the like button and let us know about your favorite entries in this lineup once you are done exploring the entire episode. Let's get back to it. Kawasaki Ninja ZX25R. Developed specifically for the Asian market, the company's new ZX25R Supersport is a quite unique motorcycle, since it is the only model in its class powered by a 4-cylinder engine. The bike is inspired by the old generation ZX-R250 from the 1980s, but it is equipped as a modern high-end ninja bike. The motorcycle gets new WSBK chassis design, fitted with Showa separate function fork with big piston and horizontal backlink rear suspension. The brakes come from Nissan, while the wheels are wrapped in Dunlop Sportmax GPR 300. The specifications of the bike's 250cc engine have not been revealed yet, but the ZX25R has been already announced to get the latest Kawasaki tech, including traction control, power modes, and a quick shifter. KTM SX range. KTM have never been humble about their plentiful motocross and supercross victories, and today they claim to bring the most technically advanced pool of ready-to-race machinery. This is partially ensured by the readiness of the brand's R&D department to evolve and implement the research and experience gained during these races. For 2021, the entire KTM SX range is being improved through and through. The 125 and 150 SX are benefiting from fresh piston and clutch internals, allowing them to display power-to-weight ratio excellence. The trio of SXF models, 250, 350, and 450, wear new Dunlop tires, get tweaks to engine architecture, utilize overhauled WP Exact front forks and rear shocks, and benefit from on-the-fly adjustments via My KTM app. Finally, the flagship KTM 450 SXF benefits from modifications to the piston, crankshaft, engine casing, rocker arms, and shift locker for extra weight reduction. Bullit Hero 125. Bullit Motorcycles is a comparatively young Belgian brand that was established by two motorcycle enthusiasts and best friends in 2013. Currently, the company's range includes 5 small displacement models, and Hero is one of their longest-selling bikes. Offered in 3 color schemes, gray, racing white, and newly added black and gold, this Bullit has scrambler styling and an adjustable seat that can be positioned 34 to 36 inches above the ground. It also gets chunky Kingston tires and wide handlebars that make it feel more imposing on the road. The driving power comes from a 125cc 4-stroke mill that is paired with a 5-speed and is rated for 11 horses and 15 mph speeds. Additionally, expect to get a cool-looking high-level exhaust, a combined gauge, and most importantly, upside-down forks and a rear monoshock with adjustable spring preload. Mod motorcycles. Mod motorcycles have followed the same creed for 15 years now. Deliver to the world bikes that are easy to ride and maintain, affordable to buy and run, but at the same time do not compromise the feel and sound of the classic machines. Throughout 2019 and 2020, the UK workshop has added 3 125cc scrambler-style models. The Mastiff, considered the king of mods with the most sophisticated detailing in the bunch, the Grand Tourer GTSS, and the newest introduction Racerback that features a brand new monoshock frame designed in-house. All of these models are built around the single-cylinder 125cc fuel-injected 4-stroke that yields 12 horsepower and 7 pound-feet. The bikes ride on 18-inch wheels with stainless steel spokes and breathe out a custom-built stainless steel exhaust. Yamaha WR250F. The quickest and the strongest WR250F ever built. This is what the Japanese call their new enduro bike. Behind this bold statement, hides the previous year's YC250F motocross machine. But truth be told, it gets substantial upgrades and technical developments. The model receives a complete engine overhaul. The 250cc 4-stroke features a new high-compression forged aluminum piston, revised valve angle and exhaust cam timing with adjusted balance factor. The single cylinder is further complemented with a new heavy-duty heat-resistant clutch and Mikuni fuel injection system. Finally, the engine gets Yamaha's unique front-facing air inlet, where the airbox is fitted in front of the tank. This not only enables tool-free filter changes, but also ensures superior weight distribution. The 2020 WR250F also boasts slimmer ergonomics, a lower and flatter saddle, a new plastic resin skid plate, a 4-position adjustable taper aluminum handlebar, and a new headlight cowl. Bullit Bluroc. This is the youngest motorcycle in Bullit's range that is also receiving a new 250cc version starting from 2020. The 125 model comes powered by an air-cooled 4-stroke that produces just 11 horses, while the 250cc one becomes the company's first multi-cylinder bike, getting a 16-horsepower V twin engine from the Chinese Lifang. Both feature a 5-speed gearbox, and you will be able to squeeze out 78 mph from the larger model. In the case of the 125cc Bluroc, the suspension setup is represented by upside-down fork up front and a regular double shock absorber. The 250 model ups the game by adding a telescopic fork and a rear monoshock. Design-wise, the bikes can be described as retro-looking scramblers with classic British styling. They feature a round headlight, a bench seat, and spoked wheels. Available color choices include British green, titanium gray, and gold black. Herald Brat 125. On the market for over 10 years, the British Herald Motorcycles is mostly known for importing a classic-style, small displacement bikes. In 2019, however, the company started developing and manufacturing motorcycles in-house. The Brat 125 is their first model under 500cc and second overall. The bike is built around a single-cylinder 4-stroke engine that is mated to a 6-speed transmission. Its rugged looks are matched by the standard equipment that includes a monoshock rear suspension, premium stainless steel exhaust, and trail-ready tires. The Brat gets you standard digital dashboard, all LED lighting, and 3 exterior color schemes: military green, iron gray, and copper. Herald offers a 24-month RAC breakdown coverage and promises a 250cc version of the model in the near future. How practical are the smaller displacement bikes? Are they only suitable for beginners? Answer these questions and mention your favorite newcomers in the comments below. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, hit the like button until it turns blue, and proceed to watching other lineups on our channel. As always, may the torque be with you!